alive, it smells good. It don't smell good right now and shit, but when it's like alive, you go smell the flowers and eat them, it tastes as good as it smells, okay? Now, it's important for beginner, really all herbalists, to have this plant because it's an excellent expectorant. Expectorants are plants and chemicals or substances that produce what we call an productive cough. When you cough and it's a dry cough and nothing's coming up with it, that's a non-productive cough, okay? When you cough and there's loogies and mucus and shit, that's a productive cough, because the purpose of a cough is to clear whatever irritant is in there or whatever's creating an obstruction in these airways. It's also a great antiviral. Now, typically, a virus is associated with the cough. If you're trying to fucking create a productive cough, there's sometimes a virus associated with it. And the thing about viruses is you can't just kill them. Like, the word antiviral don't mean the same as antibiotic. Trust me, you can go kill a colony of bacteria because it's localized. But viruses are systemic. They use your biological hardware to reproduce themselves. So you just, but you can introduce compounds that'll stop the replication, okay? And that's Goldenrod.